Are you looking for the login page for Dashlane, the award-winning and highly rated password management app? If so, the direct link for current Dashlane users is app.dashlane.com. You can also head over to Dashlane's official website at dashlane.com. The login page is straightforward to find. Just click on the Login button at the top right corner. Here, you can access your secure vault with all your stored passwords. If you're not yet a Dashlane customer, then we got something special for you. Use our affiliate link in the description below, and you can enjoy 6 months of Dashlane Premium for free. That's right, all the premium features at no cost for half a year. Don't miss this opportunity to upgrade your digital security with Dashlane. Click the link in the description and start your journey towards a more secure online experience. Thank you for watching.